Hi, I'm Phil Dixon. Thanks to Jesse. Thanks to the Velocity folks for spotting our story and having us come out and talk today. I'll spend the next 20 minutes or so talking us through the process we went through for the site redesign at Shopzilla. I'll tell you a little bit about the background and why we started the process, and then as we talk about what we actually built, we'll overlay that on top of real performance data in terms of speed improvements, and also real performance data in terms of financial improvements and cost savings. With a business of the size that it was in 2007 when we took this on, we didn't have the flexibility anymore to hold the business hostage for the year and a half it was going to take to rebuild the new site infrastructure. So our choice wasn't to refactor the current site infrastructure. It was to start over on an entirely new stack, which I'll describe in a few seconds. Our design principles were pretty basic. Simple is the new clever. Speed and quality are design decisions. And as the title of this talk suggests, you get what you measure. And it was really the obsession with measurement and designing the ability to measure and test and be fast, if you will, into the website framework that allowed us to get the successes and then show them and measure them later on. This slide is simply to say we really keep a close eye on this stuff. We have somewhere on the order of 300 or 400 points of telemetry, maybe more, coming out of all of our services, unique data points, not just instance points. And we keep track of the ones that are most important. We rank them and order them. We alert on them whenever we can. We use tools ranging from post-log analysis through Splunk, through a new management tool that we're integrating now called ClearStone, which not only helps us manage our grid, but also helps us manage and visualize and alert and trend all of these other metrics, all the way to homegrown graphing and visualization tools. Here's the key. If you take your eye off the ball, and in fact, every time we've taken our eye off the performance ball, each and every time we go backwards. Every time we stop watching it, we double, triple, quadruple our performance. And each and every time, that's a bad thing, and then we have to claw back. So it's important, and we've learned anyway, it's important to not just provide the telemetry, not just measure the telemetry, but be absolutely obsessive about watching it and making sure it's doing what we need to do.